Hi everyone, welcome to IT channel. I'm Young and we're starting had you with me today about the code editor from the author of Atom and Three Sister. Let's stay tuned and see what is this tool, why I think this is amazing. First, if you go to the website yet.dev, you're gonna see this beautiful UI. And this is a high performance multiplayer, which means you can add another people and remote working on the same code base to your editor. And this code editor is from creator of iTom and Sister. And this is a good thing because they already know how to create a code editor. So let me show you. So the first thing, the Atom already says from 2022, but it's quite popular before that time. A lot of people use iTom as the main code editor. And how about Sister? This is the generates partial generation tool. So it's just a way you can to understand the languages. So it can help to pass any program language. Then it can help to have the syntax highlight, and that is the main purpose of G-Sister. So can you want to learn more, you can look on the website of G-Sister. And secondly, I think this is if you care about performance, this is how it look like when you use yes with combined with another editor like supply test, VS Code, and it just takes 58 milliseconds to see insert, let's say, which means you enter something on your code editor, it will take around less than 100 millisecond, and this is setup time. You want to see this one is almost fast and lightweight and supply test. So this advice I know. Supply test is the most popular choice if you want to something lightweight and open the file easily. And now you had another option that is yet. The first one I want to say about the AI. So if you had GitHub Copilot subscription on with your user or your company, now you can have this integration on Yet Editor. And as I mentioned before, so right now there's everything here. The full syntax tree biology system. So yes, can help you to easy to read the course because the syntax they can support multiple things like language server protocol. And another amazing thing about this that the VMOS, this is why I love this tool. I most of the time I use new Vim. Sometimes I use this course to do something to solve with my college. But now I have yet to help me. Okay, I can open this quickly and just solve something. Another, they had a integrated terminal, which means you can open like VS Code. You can have the terminal, open your terminal and run the command line. This is the thing I don't think any code out there has this feature. That a way you can communicate, have a channel like Slack built in on your code editor, so you can open the copyright channel and you can communicate with your college. And also you can have booking remote access to another computer. You can booking color right together, and this is the way so on your yes code editor. So you can see the cursor with the name, the username, and a lot of good thing about this one, like every buffer is CRDT. So this is all right. The next thing about the how I can set up this one. I create this simple demo. And this is the guideline, so you can try at your pace. No need to follow me on the video here. It's list all the things you need to do. The first thing, of course, you need to download this one. Go to the website, get.dev, and on the top right, you're gonna see the download button. Here you can choose what is your OS system, and then you download the version. However, at the time I record this video, they don't have the binary version, the installation for Linux and Windows yet. but you can view that from source. Click on the link, go there, and just do exactly what they say. The first thing you need to install is the net phone. This is my recommendation because your code editor looks pretty nice. And then you can moving along with me. The difference between why create this instead of the Git on the GitHub, because this I list all the things that you need to follow. So you can refer to the documentation. For example, this one is the vmod from yes code editor. And what is the Keybinding with the default Keybinding? So if you see that's Mustang and it's the same way you do right now, you don't need to customize. However, if you found something is not Mustang for you, you just modify. So this is the way I do. And I follow along and see and copy the setting. So I had two files. The first file is the setting yes, this is all the setting for yes code editor. You can copy and buy, and if you don't have something you need to install, for example, I use the Dracula, that is my theme for yes code editor. And I use local II with Olama. If you don't use this one, you don't need this session. And I use inline as the default for my setting. And use yes as the code editor. Another file is the key map. So if you have the key map, you put all the configuration here. I have this on copy, you just copy and you add the SA, or you can modify if you want. For example, here this is in visual mode and normal mode, both. And if you don't know the time you type in something, not on the menu, you can spy. This is my little key from Neovim, so I use the same here. The GS, the GitHub, on rather current default. So I use this. You can manage source like something. It depends on the your mind. You found something came out, it might send to you, give it is or if you don't like that one, you can change the way set up. So right now I use DSD to toggle the div and GDSR to revert the chain. And that's some for me to navigate between. So this is my setup with Neovim. So I can use SLKZ to navigate between the panel. And then those session is about LSD, LSD language server protocol. So the way I do, so I can go to GD to go to definition, or GR to find all the reference. When you choose the variable, you search GR, so you find all. Choose the function, like GR, you open all the reference. It's a fantastic tool from LSP. And there's just some custom like lowercase or uppercase just open to the split, which means you keep the current file and open the definition or implementation on the split view. And this is the when you have the error, you can use command D to go to diagnosis, which means the error on your file. And this is go reverse diagnosis. This is simple search on the current file. So I want to first search something on current file quickly. For example, the function or the variable, I can search as a search simple search. And this is space as for look all the error on the process. I has this is from same cavity with Neovim or I often do. So shift H or shift L to navigate between the buffer and shift Q to close so that we close the active item. Pretty much I have the command, so you just follow along to see, okay, this CR, so the code rename or the code as a CI to go terminal. This is the way I do it with my Neovim. And then the final session is how I set up this with the file, like process panel to the file explorer. It depends on what your mind says about your keymap. I had look our KA for new file and upper K for new directory. And rename is just like R for rename, D for delete, discuss and copy. So because C already copied, so it just S discuss and B for pay. And if you want to look small, I will get check out the resource here. Because this resource here, they have pretty much the good thing about this one. You can follow along. And especially this one, this all the yes configuration from git.github.com. If you search yes config and filter by JSON, you have a lot of gits here. So you can check and find which one your favorite setting. For me, this is what I do. And you can follow this similar, you just copy the way setup. And then let's say this inline here, this user, he disable, but it shows some like show type hình, show param, and show other hình. They enable. For this one, now I will show the what I do on my data. So the good thing about this one, when you download this one, what you need to just open the image and move this to application. Then open yes. So the first time when you open this one, they will ask you to open the file. And because I already set up a filter on my computer, it will sign under my username. And you can follow along to one by one. First one, you can choose the theme. If you don't have theme, and you can choose. This is a lot like one dash or rose pink. This is the default theme from Yes Code Editor. And if I search something, for example, Dracula, I don't have this one. You can this one come back. Okay, recalls. Okay, KCast. So now I'm gonna enable KCast. Command CP this one. Is that good enough? Okay. Now I can search attention. So this attention is really list all the attention on yes collector marketplace. And if you look for something for it not installed my I filter not installed first, then I search Dracula. This one will list all the team and I can click on the icon, GitHub icon here. It will gonna open the website and I can see how it look like. And if I like this one, I see check another one and you just see which one you like and then click on the install. That's the way you install the extension. The default came up here is quite similar with VS Code. If you come from VS Code, it has command B to go the left and command R to go the right. So, and command C to the bottom. So we had 4 sessions. All right. Now, and I already set this my setup. So now I will open command colon. So semicolon, you open the setting. So this setting here is already list all the setting on my. So you just print as phone and you vMOS. This is the way I do. So I saw the related number is 7 from top, and I can easily, for example, if I want to jump to like 7, I just 7K to go to the top, or I want to go to this position the 5J to go to so never. It's like related number is easy for me to navigate the link easily. And the top bar here, I don't like this one. I disable because, for example, here this is default behavior. It's so the top, and for me, when working on the file, I don't need to open another one. If I want to see all the file open, I can use space. It will open for the file I'm on right now. So if you like this one, you can enable it back. But for me, I use it at the fall. And the next one is scroll bar. Scroll bar is on the right. And at this moment, if I it will like auto. There are some options. So you're gonna see when you save the file, you're gonna see this drawbar. I'm a keyboard person, by the way, so I don't think I gonna like this option. I just undo. It's never. So now I disable this one. I use local II, which means I can command R, go to insert mode, and then what AI, who are you, and then I can command enter to send the question to Olama. Of course, I need to run Olama on my computer, so it will read the file. And they have a few options here. So this is include all the open file, and this icon is will include all the projects whole space. The next one about inline typing, I read here, I leave this option true, and I have the terminal. So I can use yes at my terminal. And now the next one, I want to open key map. So you can type command K, command S to open the key map, or you can the same way you can search from the command palette. Yeah, this is all the thing I has. Same on the README file. So gonna open the on the right, I open the index file from example. Oh, this one not yet. I'm gonna open this. I can use with my terminal. Yeah, dot. So right now, I open the terminal, so I can. This is the setting, and this is the key map. I can now. I want to open close the sidebar. Command B. Now command 2 split the view, and I'm gonna specify to open a sample index. So this is an index file. The first one is about this is the git command. So if I rename hello from IT main. So when I save the file, you see the icon is change the color. And if I type space GHD, it will space GHD. And now, voila, it shows the diff between what I have right now and the current goes on the Git last Git commit. So I can revert this with space GHR space GHR. So now it's revert to previous version. And now the one is to go the inline. So this is inline space DI. So to go inline. So you see here, it's show the variable when I call this function. So you see the difference? This is the inline. And the next one is about as LZK and can navigate with left and right. You control. So control, yeah, L and H to navigate between them. So can navigate. So go to top here. Okay, now next one is about the LSP. I can go to definition of the file. For example, this is the function. I can GD. Now I go to the file and Control O to go back, Control I to go in. So I can easily navigate between two files. Another one is this split view. So for example, if I don't open this one, I can use C uppercase D to open on split view. This is what I do right now. Z uppercase D. So now it's open on the split view. And I can use the shift Q to close a file. All right, so this what I do also have this pretty good. This is the file all refer. So I navigate to the right. I go to the first one, GR. All right, you see this one? This is the first ID files. So it's on the index files that one reference, and on the test file lib/ts it's one more reference, and on the simple libts file this is where it's defined. And if you want to go to the file, if you hover here, you see it jump to the file, G space. So which means if I want to go to the text file, G space, so I go, okay, go to space, I can Control O, then go back to the reference. And if I working on something, go space, Control O, okay, go another file, go space, Control O, Control I, Control O, goodbye. This pretty good thing. But now if I want to go back to this Control O is go back to previous one. Last my cursor. Now the next one I want to show is about the symbol. So this is simple outline. If I space XS, so now I can search the variable, but this one don't have the variable. Okay, this go to this file. If I search space and now I say calculate something, I can filter. So it's only one function, so it will go very wide. But if I had a small function with the name string and console, so hello, so the sample. This one, and now okay, this one is by AS. Now you have two functions. You can start on so the creator or calculator, then press enter. Now jump to the function. Another one is about the diagnostics. If I had the error, you're gonna see the error right away. For example, here if I just buy from the grid tree. Now you see on the bottom there's 4 error, and this is what I set up with the Keybindings by SS. So if I by SS, now it's go to the this project diagnostics, and it's, we see this error, and then if I hover to the left example, is the same Keybinding G space to go to the file to edit something. All you want, you can edit right away from here. For example, I press DD to delete that chain. Now, if I now it's gone because it's already, so I can close the project diagnostics. Next one is switch between buffer. So because this one, I'm gonna switch to tab to true. Because this is the way you can see it easily. Now you see here, I can shift H and L. So I'm gonna run shift H to move to the left and shift L to move to the right. I can easily move between the file. And then shift Q to cloud. For example, I already see this one. I'm done for this one. I don't care about this reference anymore. Shift Q. They should ask me something, or you comment Q same. And something I don't like about yes at this thing. So this kind of you cannot use the key map. You need to use the mouse. Okay, I don't say. All right, and then this is my finder. So when I open the file, I can use space to search something, and this is the icon here, which means the file you opened recently, and if some file not on this one, you can search for example the readme file. I can open the readme file, and you can Control N and Control B, next and previous file, enter. So you go to go to the file easily. And yeah, a lot of good thing about this one. You can follow along here. And one more I want to show, this is the code rename. Gonna jump to the right, and then when I go to here, CR, this calculate I can rename it another calculate age or something or sort. Now you see this one is already renamed, and the code action is CI. For example, here CI, you can this you don't see the here. When you see the lining here, you can CI if we show the code action. If you don't see that one, which means they don't have code action on that line. Now, if we go to the definition here, you see on the left here, they have the lightning icon. CI is show some option, and you can use arrow key to move, or you Control N and Control B to move between them. And for example, this one is to infer the return type of this function. I can do this one. Similarly here, see, now I can, all the thing I do right now, I use my keyboard, and I don't need to use the mouse. That's the good thing about Vim. The next one is about the Docker terminal. So if you look closely on the bottom here, this is the terminal. So I have this Keybindings, this, so I can type in. This will navigate between the file you open here and the terminal. And if you want you call up, you Command Z, it will call up the bottom. All right. Now, if you have this one, you want to say the final thing is this is about the folder, and this is called process panel. So the first one I want to show is a create a file. So on the file you have A, open the file. So let's test.ts file. From here I can console hello say file, and this is a text file. If I want to create a folder with uppercase, test, now I have text folder. And then now next one I want to delete the just the text file create, I hit D, it will show the prompt and enter the delete. And next is a copy of file, or I custom file, it can the same thing. Now if I move the text file under the text folder, I can S will cut the file, then I P, it will move file from the root the example folder to the test folder. And now if I open, it's gonna see the error, and look at this one. I got the one error on the bottom. So this easily I can spike as to see here, and okay, and now this became moved to the geo folder. So what I need to do, I need to just change this one. Now problem is gone. And then I can save the file. And now if I open the terminal, see the example, run test, and now I say, okay, good now. This is the zip escape to get a full size on. Now you see this one is run the test, and the lip calculate edge. All right, amazing everyone. Thank you for staying tuned with me. If you have any question about this one, let me know. Or if you like it kind of slow guideline here, let me know also, so I can create more things like this one. Happy Sunday, everyone. Bye bye.